ايش؟
My name is Alexinho. I'm from France, Nantes. I'm 21 and I started beatboxing in 2008. And I discovered beatboxing like randomly in the web, in internet, like watching random videos. And I saw the first video of beatboxing. I was like, wow.
My name is BMG. I am 26 and I started beatboxing 10 years ago in 2007. So I discovered beatbox too when on YouTube, when I was listening to music, I was watching different videos, and then I saw like 3 French beatboxers making a crazy video together, and then it was like, wow, I want to do that.
I think the main thing when you start beatboxing is practicing the basis. Like in the beatbox, the main thing is the drum. We need to learn the drum, like the. So this is the main thing we do when we learn beatboxing, and then there's the voices, the effects. So I think this is the biggest part to practice, to learn. And then when you get the basis, you can do what you want, create your own style, create your own atmosphere, music atmosphere, and yeah, this is, I think, the most difficult part for beatboxing. And then finding our own style is difficult too, but with practicing it's okay.
To get powerful on stage and assume your style, and I think it's really important, like to move on stage. And trying to make your sounds living in real life, you know. So for me, yes, the stage presence is important. And then the second difficulty, I think it's, you know, having our own style, because in this period we have more and more guys coming in the beatbox scene. Now we have a lot of beatboxers in every country, so it gets more difficult to keep being original and finding new stuff without being inspired by the other one.
I think it's really interesting to work with other musicians, because in the beatbox we can imitate some other instruments, for example. So we can collaborate with a rapper, we can collaborate with musicians, we can collaborate with dancers. That's really huge. Like, I think everything can fit with beatboxing. So yeah, that's great.
Everything audible is a source of inspiration, you know, because beatboxing is not only about making music sounds. We can imitate a lot of different stuff. For example, in the routine life, I don't know, for example, a dog, you know, everything we can hear, we try to do it with our mouth. So yeah, but then in music, I love funky music, because in my city where I am from, Lyon, we are used to hear some music like that. So yes, I really love groovy stuff. and I love to electronic music too, like dubstep, trap music, etc. So yeah, they are my main influences.
The new generation in beatboxing is like they are really influenced by the beatbox videos. So a lot of famous beatboxers, they try to copy them, they try to learn from them. That's great, but the main thing today is the originality. And I think they can find more original things by listening to music, real music. And I think this is the best advice I can give. It's like listening to music more, less beatbox, to improve and find own style.
You know, beatbox is not magic, so I would say first practice. It's really important to practice, because we are lucky, we are beatboxers. We just need our mouth to practice, so we can practice anytime, everywhere. So yeah, training is the first big tip. Then the second tip, I think, it's to meet beatboxers, because we improve better if we are together and practice together and giving advices to each other, etc. And then of course listening to music and staying open-minded, and not only to listen, for example, only hip-hop music or stuff like that, but really trying to listen every kind of music, because every music has its own structure. So I think we can learn from every music.
The workshop was great. Like a lot of Greek beatboxer came, like really interested, and yeah, we had fun with everyone, chilling, and yeah. The place here is crazy. A lot of crazy thing around me. I feel like I want to record something now. But yeah, really nice place.
I really enjoyed. For me, it's every time a pleasure to share my experience with new people, and for me it's very great too to meet other beatboxers, for example, like here in Greece, discovering the Greek beatbox community, the Greek beatbox style. So yeah, it was really nice, and I am really looking forward to see the championship tomorrow.